Meanwhile, there are more worries about the impact of the dengue outbreak in Portmore St. Catherine. Students attending school in the municipality are staying away in greater numbers each day as parents take precautions. The matter was discussed at a press conference called by the Portmore Municipal Corporation, where a plan of action was also outlined. TVJ's Krista Campbell was there.
A water crisis across the island. In Portmore, some residents forced to store the commodity have only created breeding sites for the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which transmits the dengue virus. At least 2 children confirmed dead in Portmore from the disease, and an increasing number of students now falling ill have schools and local authorities even more worried. Portmore's Mayor Leon Thomas says the Portsmouth Primary School is the latest to report suspected dengue cases among its students.
They're having a serious outbreak at the school where they're seeing 9 students per day sent home, and they have 10 confirmed cases and 1 death so far.
The St. Catherine Public Health Department says it has inspected 54 schools in Portmore alone. Chief Public Health Officer Grayson Hutchinson says 19 had breeding sites for the dengue-carrying mosquito.
The breeding sites include old tires, drums, garbage skip and bath pan, fountains, plastic jars, old toilet, old bucket, duck ponds, cisterns, flower pots.
The National Solid Waste Management Authority says it has been targeting Portmore schools, removing bulky waste, and the mayor says about 18 persons will be sent in to clean up schools, especially those in areas with a high population of the Aedes aegypti mosquito.
There is still food boxes and so on, the general things that collect the rainwater. And they are making efforts now to bag these items.
We are going to have cutting done inside these schools and the removal of the debris from the school compound.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.